Well, if I wasn't a Formula One driver, I always wanted to be an aerodynamist engineer. So I'll be working in the factory instead of driving the car. But I'm really passionate about all the aero of the car and the way it works and all the small details you can see. And yeah, I was studying to do that.
I think the tracks that are fast, like Silverstone, Spa, Suzuka, those are the tracks I prefer. When a Formula One car is going fast, that's where you have all the downforce and the most grip. So that's the the part of the driving Formula One car that feels most extreme.
Well, it's very difficult to pick up a memorable moment of your career. We go through so many emotions, highs and lows. Obviously, you win a lot of titles coming to Formula One, and then there was my first podium in F1, which is very special. But my first race with Haas, scoring 6th on the finish line in Australia 2016 was a very special one. So I can't really take one out of the whole career, but there's been certainly a lot of good emotions.
I would say my first race in Formula One was a great experience, just getting there for the first time and realizing and living your dream. That's when it becomes very real, and that whole weekend was fantastic.
Well, I think being involved with Haas and wearing the name Haas and knowing there's Haas Automation behind, being a company that can actually produce car for our car, produce part for our car, and knowing that we rely on them to go racing and to go fast, it's amazing. I've got a huge respect for Gene Haas, for everything he's been doing, but knowing that we can wear the color of Haas Automation, we can have the parts made in-house and then race them is pretty amazing.
I think it's great to have a partner, that you can actually work with, on specific parts on the car. So it's not just like a brand that you're promoting. It's actually a partner that you're using to produce, Formula One cars and results on the track. So, it's fine to have sponsors that you're promoting and that you're, associating, but even better having someone that you're actually, who contributes to results on the tracks directly.
Yeah, first time I came to Oxnard to visit the Haas factory, I was stunned by the size of the factory. It's an amazing place. There's so much going on, and you can see that machines are being studied, are being built in a really great manner. Same as actually when you come to race shop for Formula One. Every detail is very important, and then you get to send the final product to the customers, and it's great to see all the chain to the final send. Yeah, it was great to visit the factory. It's a big one. There's a lot of people working there, but I really enjoyed my tour.
I was surprised at how big it was, a massive facility, and of course it shows what kind of success Haas Automation has, which was great to see. I knew it was successful and big, but I was pretty surprised at how big it was.
One of the things I like about Haas is that we can produce our parts and then race them. This is actually to change at the pit stop to change the wheels, and pit stop is a key part of the race. You can win it or lose it at that point. So knowing that we're actually producing parts to get a better performance at pit stop is very important, and those parts are quite amazing. I've been practicing pit stop myself for fun with the guys, and the energy that goes into the guns and then into the wheels, it's incredible. So those parts are really, really strong, and they need to fit perfectly to get into the wheels and to be able to change our wheels as fast as we can. So really knowing that we can do those parts, knowing that the quality is there and we're going to have what we need to try to win the race, it's amazing.
Well, I think it's great to have a part that is pretty vital to our race. you know, and that we are producing that within the company, and you know, yeah, it gives a sense of security knowing that we've done this and put all the effort that is needed into this part. T-Rex, the strongest.